Dear school educators and leaders, welcome to our Pink City, Jaipur, the most creative city by UNESCO. The fourth edition of ScooNews Global Educators Fest revolves around the theme, Transforming School Curriculum, Empowering Learning for Life. This theme resonates with the educational philosophy of Arch. As a design partner, Arch, with a legacy of 22 years, has a clear differentiating factor, which prepares our learners with a holistic development process which culminates into a set of leadership traits along with requisite skills of the present and the future. This transformational leadership attribute is deep-rooted in design education, contributing to the creative economy. I take the opportunity to invite you to be a part of the experiential evening based on the pedagogic philosophy. On 4th of August, we are your host at Digi Palace, a heritage property in Jaipur. The design exhibit by Arch students will be featuring the Crusaders on the design culture ramp. Look forward to seeing you in our beautiful Pink City. See you soon.